Hey there, I'm Jared and we're going to teach you how to use this microcontroller. It's a Raspberry Pi Pico and it's your gateway to creating incredible things. It's a tiny brain that makes everyday objects smarter, and you can use it to create things like autonomous robots or automatic plant watering systems, all sorts of gadgets and gizmos, or even your own smart home devices. These little things are the secret sauce behind most of the modern world, and we're going to teach you how to use one. This workshop will take a complete beginner and get them just dangerous enough so that they can go out and start making some really cool stuff. The course is comprehensive, but we also try to teach you the most amount of stuff in the least amount of time. Like when we learn something, we make sure that those examples we use are practical ones that will solve problems that you will encounter in the real world. And above all, it's completely free. There is no content hidden behind a paywall, and we've minimized the amount of stuff that you need to follow along with, which is listed on the course page where you'll find all the code and other information you need throughout the course. So what lies ahead? Well, we're going to dip our toes into the basics of coding and controlling things like lights, sensors, and motors. Then we'll move on to adding some more intelligent thinking to our projects, and then we'll step it up a notch into more advanced topics like hosting websites over Wi-Fi with this thing and using complex hardware like GPSs and even OLED screens. So if you want to learn a skill that, and I'm not exaggerating here, may alter the course of your life, follow along and we'll get right into it.